welcome to Plane to Champagne. My name's Haley and I created this channel to give you the solo girl's guide to travel. Today we're going to talk all about how to pack like a pro. But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And as always, there's always more details on my website, planetochampagne.com. Let's get started. 16 days, 7 cities, 1 carry-on suitcase. Okay, I'm a dork, but it is true. I did pack for 16 days in 1 carry-on suitcase, which for any girl with champagne taste can be a little bit difficult. But don't worry, follow my 3 tips and you'll be packing like a pro in no time. So if you're just flying somewhere and staying one place the whole time, this isn't really as important. But packing smart when you're traveling from city to city to city is, because I can't carry around a huge suitcase from city to city. That's ridiculous. So I narrowed it down to my backpack and my carry-on suitcase. Of course, you could use one of those backpackers backpack, but it's not really my style, and I think my backpack that I have is already too heavy, so I can't imagine carrying everything on my back, so I just went with a rolling suitcase and a regular Under Armour backpack. Okay, so my 3 secrets: color story, layering, and rolling. Let's start with color story. First and foremost, when you're packing, keep a color palette in mind. You don't want to bring a yellow shirt and green shoes and red pants and things that you could never wear together. Pick like 3 or 4 colors, try to keep it pretty neutral, so this way whatever you're wearing with one thing, you can wear with another thing. Make sense? And a little secret, if you do pack all the same color clothes, your Instagram will look fire, your aesthetic will be perfect. Quick rule of thumb, if you can only wear it once, it probably shouldn't be packed. For example, my gray mock neck sweater, I can wear it with blue jeans, black jeans, I can wear it with my heels at night, I can wear it with boots during the day, so that's a great addition. But like my casual blue sneakers with the fur on them, it's got like yellow fur, white fur, doesn't really go as well, so they're out. Now you may be thinking, what about my cute sparkly tank top or my new striped trousers? These items are fine to bring, just be okay with wearing them more than once. And that means being pictured in them more than once, which I know sounds ridiculous, but it's something that I think about all the time. So just get over that, it's fine, your Instagram will be fine. Also, just limit yourself to about 2 or 3 of these statement pieces and really bring those pieces that are going to keep coming back and keep working for every day. Last thing here, neutral outerwear is really important. So I have a black BCBG coat that can be layered down under, which makes it warmer, but also can just be worn with like a t-shirt under it, still a nice light jacket. I had a gray scarf and black earmuffs and black gloves. So just keep it neutral all the way so it works with every single one of your outfits. Okay, next tip, layer it up, baby. So this might not be really rocket science or anything new, but it is important. On a cold day, you wear your sweater, your jacket, your scarf, etc., etc., etc. And then on a warmer day, you can wear that same outfit, you just shed the layers off as you go. I always have my Longchamp tote with me because it's literally a bag that can fit anything. Like remember that movie Halloween Town where she just kept pulling the candy out? That's literally my Longchamp bag. It fits everything I need all the time. So I really suggest getting one of those. That way, if you wear the scarf and the earmuffs and the gloves and the jacket in the morning, and as the sun comes out and the day gets warmer, you just shed off each layer, throw it in the bag. Simple as that. And one last thing about cold weather, cami tees are everything. Yes, those cami tees they used to wear from like Aeropostale and Limited too. But I swear they keep you so much warmer. If you have that layer that's right tight up against your skin, you tuck it into your jeans, you wear a sweater over it, you can go from freezing to warm in like 0.3 seconds. I swear, just listen to me, it's worth it. You can also wear it with a cardigan, or if you just need to run down to the lobby, it's a nice easy thing. They pack literally this big, like next to nothing. So I would bring 4 of them. I brought 2, wasn't enough, bring 4. And if you're not sold, just throw it in your bag anyway, and I swear you will thank me later. Last but certainly not least, stop, drop, and roll. Roll those clothes like there is no tomorrow, people. Okay, hold up, I don't really roll everything. I don't find that jeans roll that well, or sweaters. I find that those pack better flat, but everything else, t-shirts, sleepwear, things like that, they roll great. Roll it up, put 4 in a bag, tie up the bag, compress the air out, bam, you've saved so much space, just like that. And I also find that party clothes roll the best, usually because it means there's less fabric, but it also means you can bring more, so you have more options, yay! So you can bring like a couple of nighttime tank tops, skirt, etc., etc., etc. Okay, so let's review 3 things: color story, layering, and rolling. If you keep these in mind, you should be good to go. I mean, packing sucks either way, let's be honest, but keep these 3 in mind and it should be a little bit easier. But some last minute tips before you go. You only need 1 pair of pajamas, no one sees them, they never leave your room, just 1 pair. I would say no more than 3 pairs of shoes, so 2 that you can wear during the day and then 1 that you can wear at night. I brought my Nike running sneakers, my Steve Madden fashion sneakers, and then a pair of black high-heeled over-the-knee boots. Don't waste the space on shoes you can only wear once. My black over-the-knee boots went with every single nighttime outfit that I had, so bring something like that. If you want to see my full packing list, head to my website, plaintochampagne.com. And I want to know, what's your best packing tip? Tell me on my latest Instagram at plaintochampagne. And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe so you can get more travel tips like this, as well as my weekend vacay guides. That's all I have for you now. Cheers.